How to merge clips in CapCut. It's very simple. Open a CapCut and select a video first and foremost. Then, to merge a clip, simply go ahead and drag the clip in the side of the video. If not, you can also drag the second video on top of the original video as well. Now to make it the even length, go ahead and swipe the cursor at the end of the original video. Then split the second video and delete the splitted section. Once you do that, you can go ahead and edit the ratio of the video by tapping on the ratio right here and set it to original. You can edit the layout of the video if you want by simply minimizing the sizes, dragging and repositioning the video. And this is totally optional. If you want to, you can go ahead and give it a try. If not, you can leave the video as it is. Then select both of the video like this. Then give a right click and tap on Create Compound Clip. Once you do that, if you give it a preview, it should look something like this. Isn't it simple? So go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for watching.